In this video, I'm going to show you how to see picture reviews on DHgate. Now, the first thing you have to do, you want to select an item that you actually want to see the reviews of. And mind you, that's very important. The first reason why you may not be able to see the picture reviews is because there's actually no reviews or no picture reviews from different people, okay? So you must find an item that actually has them to be able to see them. And I'm going to show you how to do this right now. So here I found an item which actually does have some picture reviews. And when you click on the item, you want to scroll down. And when you scroll down here, as you can see, it says reviews, item reviews. So here inside item reviews already, you can see there's some photos and videos up top. And then to actually sort by these, you can just click on this image button over here. And it's actually going to go ahead and give you the reviews with the images over here. And you can then show all of them. And you can click on a specific image. And it's going to basically zoom it in. And you can see how that specific thing looks like, okay? So that's basically how to do it. Now, in some cases, this may not work for you. And if it doesn't, you can try right-clicking over here, clicking on inspect at the bottom, and then up here at the top left, you can just click on this button over here, which will basically toggle the device toolbar, and it's going to kind of put you into like a phone mode over here, and then you may be able to see this button. If you don't, you can just go ahead and try refreshing the website and seeing if that actually works and if that helped. So that's basically how you can do this. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.